The katana, a soul forged in steel. Ever wondered about the soul of a warrior captured in a single gleaming blade? Journey with us into the heart of Japanese history to uncover the secrets of the katana, a sword that embodies the spirit of the samurai and the artistry of a nation. The katana is far more than just a weapon. It is a profound symbol deeply intertwined with the samurai's code of Bushido. Emerging from earlier straight swords, the katana evolved into a curved, single-edged masterpiece during the Muromachi period, 1392 to 1573. This evolution wasn't merely functional. It represented a shift in warfare and philosophy, embedding itself in the cultural identity of Japan. The samurai, the warrior class of feudal Japan, viewed the katana as an extension of their soul. It was a symbol of their honor, loyalty, and martial prowess. The sword was not just a tool for combat, but a spiritual companion, treated with reverence and care. This reverence stemmed from the belief that the katana possessed a life of its own, reflecting the spirit of its wielder. The katana's significance extended beyond the battlefield. It was a symbol of status, a work of art, and an heirloom passed down through generations. The intricate craftsmanship and the spiritual connection between the samurai and their sword elevated the katana to an object of profound cultural importance. The creation of a katana is a meticulous and sacred process, a dance of fire and steel that can take months, even years, to complete. It begins with the selection of tamahagane, a special type of steel smelted from iron sand. This raw material is the foundation upon which the swordsmith, or kaji, builds his masterpiece. The kaji purifies the tamahagane, removing impurities and preparing it for the folding process. This involves heating the steel to a critical temperature and then folding it upon itself, sometimes up to 16 times. Each fold doubles the number of layers, creating a blade with thousands of layers of steel. This process not only strengthens the blade, but also removes any remaining impurities, ensuring its durability and flexibility. The differential hardening process is what gives the katana its distinctive hamon, the temper line. The kaji coats the blade with a clay mixture, thicker on the body of the blade and thinner along the edge. When the blade is quenched, the edge cools rapidly, becoming extremely hard, while the body cools more slowly, retaining its flexibility. This difference in hardness creates the hamon, a unique and beautiful pattern that is a signature of the swordsmith's skill. Every component of the katana is crafted with precision and purpose. The blade itself, with its elegant curve and razor-sharp edge, is a testament to the swordsmith's skill. The tsuba, or guard, protects the wielder's hand and is often adorned with intricate designs. The suka, or handle, is wrapped in samigawa, or ray skin, providing a secure and comfortable grip. The saya, or scabbard, is made of wood and lacquered to protect the blade from the elements. Each element is carefully chosen and meticulously crafted to create a harmonious and functional whole. The katana's design is not merely aesthetic, it is functional. The curve of the blade allows for smooth and efficient cutting, while the balance of the sword makes it easy to wield. The katana is a weapon designed for speed, precision, and lethality. The katana played a crucial role in Japanese history, particularly during the feudal era. It was the weapon of choice for the samurai, who used it to defend their lords and uphold their honor. Battles were often decided by the skill of the swordsman, and the katana became a symbol of their martial prowess. Beyond its military significance, the katana has also influenced Japanese art, literature, and theater. It appears in countless stories, poems, and plays, often as a symbol of courage, honor, and sacrifice. The image of the samurai wielding his katana is deeply ingrained in the Japanese psyche. Even today, the katana continues to captivate the world. It is admired for its beauty, its craftsmanship, and its historical significance. Modern swordsmiths continue to practice the ancient techniques, preserving the tradition of the katana for future generations. In the modern era, the art of katana making is kept alive by dedicated swordsmiths who undergo rigorous training to master the ancient techniques. These artisans are not merely replicating historical weapons, they are preserving a cultural heritage. They study the methods of the old masters, learning to work with tamahagane and to create blades that are both beautiful and functional. Modern swordsmiths often face challenges in sourcing materials and maintaining traditional practices. However, their passion for the katana and their commitment to preserving its legacy drive them to overcome these obstacles. They are the guardians of a tradition that has endured for centuries. The work of these modern swordsmiths ensures that the spirit of the katana lives on. inspiring awe and admiration in those who appreciate the artistry and history of this iconic weapon. Their dedication is a testament to the enduring power of tradition and the human desire to create objects of beauty and significance. The katana is more than just a sword. It is a symbol of Japanese culture, history, and spirit. Its creation is a testament to human ingenuity and craftsmanship, and its legacy continues to inspire awe and admiration around the world. From the raw iron to the finished blade, every step in the katana's creation is imbued with meaning and purpose. The katana's influence extends far beyond the battlefield, shaping Japanese art, literature, and philosophy. It is a reminder of the samurai's code of honor, loyalty, and courage. The katana is a symbol of the past, but it also represents the enduring spirit of Japan. Are you ready to delve deeper into the world of the katana, explore the artistry, history, and cultural significance of this iconic blade? Like and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth explorations of historical weapons and martial traditions. Share this video with fellow weapon enthusiasts and history buffs, and let's keep the spirit of the katana alive.